I'm back. I didn't think I'd have a chance to do this extra recording, but the refrigerator did arrive, and I thought it right to show it to you since I spoke about it so many times, or lack thereof. Okay, this is not a sponsored ad for refrigerator, but I'll tell you one thing. Isn't it interesting how just one little thing, one minor change by not having a refrigerator for a little while can really, really upset things, sort of like a chain of command. No refrigerator, no frozen foods. No frozen foods, can't make all those beautiful dinners that I had put away. But thankfully, I blessed other people with some of the stuff. And thankfully, most of the stuff did not go to waste, which was a good thing. That's always important whenever you're planning things in your refrigerator. So without further ado, and I hope it works, okay, I'm going to put on this. Hopefully, it got the right video clip and take a listen. I'll be right back if it works, hopefully. Well, look at that, look at that, look at that. It actually did work. I guess today is my lucky day after all. I know I look extremely tired. I certainly did not have a great night's sleep, but for too many reasons. But just to emphasize that I'm so glad that we have this platform and the opportunity to share, to help each other, to offer each other a whole bunch of suggestions. And that's a wonderful, wonderful thing. So thank you again. And now I could go shopping and not worry. But what I'd like to do is give it honestly a full 24 hours to let it really get the way I would like the fridge to get. So there. All right. So you met my new refrigerator. Thank you so much. By the way, everybody take good care. You know, I did a very serious video this morning in case you haven't seen it. And sometimes it's just the way it is because that's life. Sometimes it's just the way it is. I mean, I know everybody's used to my hip hop happy laughter, but when I close the show, you're going to listen to a song you have not listened to in quite a while. That's when I close the show, but I want to see if you could get this reminder in before I close the show. Let's see if this works. Oh, be nice. Sometimes things work, sometimes things don't work. Try it again. There you go, there you go, there you go. But I'm going to end this show with a song that's so happy. I know, I know. Have a great day, everybody, and I hope to get some sleep tonight. Take good care of yourself and your wonderful family. Thank you.